This is the oldest tree, the ginkgo oldest tree inside the Samgyunkwan University. As you can see guys, talaga. There you go. Sila guys. Inside the university, the oldest university. Yan, dito ginaganap yung mga schools, yung mga scholars, student ng Korea ng Joseon era. There you go.